Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Stephen Aitchison and today we'll be looking at the technical analysis for Verasity. Verasity has been on a real tear since the end of July and it's kind of gone up a couple 100%, but it's kind of stabilising out just now, which is good. I don't want that kind of parabolic rise, only for it to come right back down big time as well. We've seen that before, we don't want that again. So it's a nice, steady, organic rise just now for Verasity. And first thing we can see here, we're on the daily chart just now. The first thing we can see here is the crossover of the 7 EMA and the 21 EMA. It crossed over on the 28th of July at 1 cent and kind of went up 240% to 3.4 cents just now, where it's standing just now. So it's still looking good from that point of view, and from the crossovers and the 7 and the 21 EMA, that's looking really, really bullish at the moment. This is a Fibonacci extension tool I've been using, and you can see the first target is 4.1 cent, second target 6.2, third target 9.7 cents, fourth target 15.3 cents, fifth target 21.1 cents, and the sixth target 24.4 cents. And I expect it to reach that certainly within the next 6 months. Towards the end of the year, conservatively, yeah, I think it's going to reach that, because quarter four is going to be a really strong quarter. I think for the whole market, quarter four is going to be really strong, but I think for Verasity as well, it's going to be even stronger. So in quarter four, we're going to have that strong market. Typically in October, the market will rise. Of course, if we're looking at the Bitcoin cycle, the market tends to rise round about October time. 2017 it did it, 2013 it did it. I'm expecting Bitcoin to go up to $100,000 to $130,000 towards the end of the year, which means there's going to be a good rise for Verasity as well. Verasity kind of follows Bitcoin quite closely, but because of all the news that's going to be coming out in quarter four for Verasity, we could see that 24.4 cents towards the end of the year as well. Certainly by the first quarter, in the end of the first quarter 2022. So in the next 6 months, we could see 24.4 cents just now. It's looking good at the moment. We've got some supports there. We'll take off the fib extension just now, and we'll put in some support areas there. So we've got a traffic light chart. So we can see here, this is going to be our new support, which is 2.5 cents. That's going to be a new support there. We're obviously going to have resistance here. I'm going to say that we've got resistance here already. I'm going to say the 4.1 cent area. So this is our amber and our green to top of the traffic light chart is going to be at 5.6. That's the all-time high. So we can zoom in here and you can see that more closely. So we have support at the 2.5 cent area, and we've got resistance there around about the 4.1 cent area. You can see we kind of wicked up to that, nearly wicked up to it, or really if we bring it down to just about 4, I would say that's more in line with it. No, I'm going to keep it 4.1. So keep it 4.1, so that's the next target I'm going to say, and the target after that obviously would be the all-time high, but second target 6.2 cents. So can I see us doing that? Yes, if the market's strong, if Bitcoin does go down, we can expect Verasity to go down. It does follow it down the way, Verasity, so I can expect that to happen again. I don't think anything's going to change there, but we're going to have a strong quarter four. So September might be a bit dodgy for Verasity and the whole of the market, or really the whole of the market, which will not help Verasity. But then from October onwards, we're going to have a really, really strong finish towards the end of the year, and I expect that for Verasity as well, even stronger because of all the news coming out as well for Verasity. So we could, by the end of the year, reach 24.4 cents. It's not out with the realms of possibility, but I'm going to say conservatively within the next 6 months, we're going to have 24.4 cents for Verasity. Okay, until next video, namaste, take care, bye now.